Hey everybody, my name is Alex and this is Andy and Leanne's Ducati Monster Dark. This motorcycle has in the last 10 years been off the road. I'm filming now, so.
Alright, I'm just seeing the film.
You're alright. Cool. Let's get it out. Throttle stuck. Fingers bent. Is that the front brakes or no?
Could be action.
Nice.
I think they're pouring it on.
Hi everybody, my name is Alex and this is Andy and Leanne's Ducati Monster Dark 900cc. I've been bribed. I've been given, there were 4 packets of bourbon biscuits, but now there's only 3 before I even picked up the motorcycle. This motorcycle has in the last 10 years been off the road. According to its last MOT versus what I see on the Speedo, it's done 4 miles in 10 years. Let's look it over, shall we? Okay, nothing too untoward. I did struggle with corrosion here. Let's see this. So I've got some air in the tyres and we'll see if that holds, but these tyres are ancient. Standard cans, it used to have Termes on it. I might have showed you a video earlier of this motorcycle, this exact motorcycle with its Termes. I think we'll find a replacement indicator for it. Something I'm aware of is putting on my Monster, when I put LED indicators on it, it stopped the indication up on the dash that you've left your indicators on. It's nice to see a bit of brake fluid. Lever's bent. Okay, we can clean that up, no problem. Looking good, isn't it? Not so bad. Wiring issue there. Look at that. Hello. Lovely. So we've got some sweating around the oil cooler returns, so I need sorting out. Worthy of note is this. What do you think that does? All right, I'm going to tell you straight off the bat. That there is a, and it works. You can actually stop the circulation of engine oil through the oil cooler to help warm the engine up faster. And and that would be for track days, something like that, I guess. Oh, it's a bit stiff. But that's been added by an enthusiastic previous owner. That is its fuel pump, it's pneumatic, so it's actuated by the vacuum in these tubes here. It would be the vertical tube. There'll be a vacuum pipe going to it, so I've got to make sure its little pump's running. So it looks pretty wholesome so far, doesn't it? It's not so bad. Is it not so bad? Throttle is stuck. Front brakes are binding. So we'll take the calipers off, replace the seals, pads. Lovely bit of carbon. Makes a nice noise. She's a little hazy, huh? A little hazy. Fork seals are blown. So it's going to be fork rebuild. This one's weeping as well. We do dust covers at the same time. Speedo drive, these are really expensive, and you can see it's fractured there, and all of its grease has just flung itself out, so that must have happened a while ago. These are really expensive as it stands right now, about 170 quid for a second-hand ropey one. So we'll think about that one. Just fairly normal corrosion from being laid up. The oxidization on the cylinders. Is that oil? I wonder if we've got a head gasket issue with the vertical cylinder. We'll find out, huh? In due course. There's its lovely carburetors. We're having them off. More carbon? And that chain. Just shows you how long the motorcycle's been laid up for. Original exhaust. And just all the expected signs of being laid up for a while, huh? Nice to see its original exhausts. Would have been lovely to have heard it with Termes. It's difficult to know whether it's jetted for Termes or until we find out. I do have a key for it, but of course, after 10 years, it's lost all of its electrons. We're sure to find more problems as we go through this motorcycle. I think it's going to be a nice little challenge. It's all right. Handsome, aren't they? Really good looking bikes. I'm really looking forward to bringing this beautiful machine back into the land of the living. They look so good. This is the actual Ducati Monster. I found a video of it, its registration number matches, on YouTube. And this was filmed maybe 4 years before it went off the road. Since then it's lost its turning pipes and lost the 900 carbon side pieces. But this is it running